the timer. Ready?
Go.
Cat Davey, qualified 22.2. He's 30 kilos on the bar, 2.55, and a 16 kilo barbell. And
60.
55.
55. Yeah.
and then my other weights. I'm just trying to attach my tongue. To do.
Oh yeah. Oh, just wrap it around, like like that.
Hopefully this stays on. Alright, well, let's just do this.
All right. 3 wall walks, 10 toes to bar,
Yeah.
10 snatches.
And do 4, 3, 3.
Yeah. All right. I'm gonna start the timer. 9, 8. You start on the ground, I think. All right. 3, 1, go. 1. 2. 3. Nice. Now onto the toes to bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shake it out. Use that chalk if you want to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 snatches. Start from the hang. 1. 10. Nice. Round 1 down. One. 2. Get some chalk. All right, go. Nice. Yep. Toast to bars. One, 2, 3, 4. All right, 3 and 3. Nice. 3 more. Nice. 10 snatches. Five. 8. 9. Nice. Great. Third round.
Boom, cat move.
Nice. This is the third round.
Time.
4:11. One. Shake it out. 5 more. All right, 2 more. Nice. Break them up if you need to. Or keep on going if you want to. Five. Back on it.
Right, ladies and gentlemen.
1,
We are doing
2,
some pistols and some hand
3,
stand holds today.
4, 5. Nice. This is the 4th round.
See you when I get back. Right, pistols and handstand holds.
5:56.
I need to be aware of. No?
Alright, let's go.
To start out, we're going to do a little warm-up.
Gotta keep moving. Do one and then
We're
break.
going to do 10 reverse lunges. Once you've done those, we're going to do 5 leg walkouts, push up at the bottom. On your way back up, come to your toe.
4.
And try and get as much into this plank position as you can. Leaning forward onto your hands.
Nice.
Stand up. The second round of lunges, what I want you to do,
Alright,
we're going to try and get
3,
our faces to
2,
the floor
1,
and knees
go.
nice and close to the inside of the hip. And then same again with the plank walkouts.
Nice. Alright, back down.
Starting out,
Alright.
10 normal reverse lunges for me. Whenever you're ready.
Alright, 4, 3, 3. Two, 3, 4. All right, shake it out. Jump back on it.
You cycling in.
1, 2.
Remember on the way up from these,
Okay, 4 to go.
I just want you to try and get as much guts into your toes as you can. Put your weight into your hands and look between
1,
your knees.
2. All right, 2 more.
Are you, James? You good? Yeah, I'm alright.
7:21.
Rugby? No rugby? Season in?
Season's over.
Lovely. You gonna go back?
1,
next
2. Nice.
year? Do you think that number 8 goes again? Or legs? Open side? Blind side?
Let's go, Cat.
Straight, second row.
3, 4, 5. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
How long are you gonna use it? If you can use it, what?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice. All right, this is the 5th round. We got 8:16 on the clock.
You can either go foot then knee, or if you can both at the same time, or if you really want to push it, just the knee.
One. All right, 3, 2, 1. Two. 3, 2, 1. Go. 3. Nice.
Guys,
A minute left.
up shoulders.
All right, let's breeze through these. Come on, Cat.
Go as
1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Jump back on it. 9:15. 5, 6. Okay. 4 to go. 7, 8. All right. 2 more. 9:36.
Nice guys. So we are working
9,
on our pistols and
10.
handstands.
Nice. Right onto the snatches.
If you can, pistol
15 seconds.
All
right, let's do as many as you can.
If we're still working towards our first pistol,
1,
what we can do,
2,
box here like so.
3,
You
4,
keep rolling yourself down.
5,
You need to get to there.
6, and time.